Hey everyone, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a little starter kit from the drugstore. This is like a full face starter kit, what you'll need for a full face from the drugstore. I am wearing every product on my face today that is in this bag. I am super obsessed with everything, and I actually tried out some things I haven't used in a while, and I've fallen in love with them again. So the first thing I'm just going to pull out, and this is a Moda bag. If you watched my previous video of what's in my bag, you saw a little polka dotted thing, and it came with this. This is like a 3 or 4 piece set from Walmart, but this is full of makeup, and this is just going to be a full face of drugstore starter kit, what you'll need. I'll start off with the brushes that I have for you all. These are all from the drugstore or off of Amazon for very cheap. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and it just looks like this. And then this is my go-to bronzing brush. This is the complexion brush by e.l.f. And then I love e.l.f. brushes. And then we have the e.l.f. bronzing brush, which I used for blush today. You can use it for blush, for bronzer, whatever you choose to use it for. These are just very good brushes. I got these all from Walmart. For my eyebrows, I use, this is the NYX Professional Makeup Brush. It's an eyebrow brush, and it comes with a spoolie. This is really good for pomades. I use it today. And then I have, this is the e.l.f. Professional Blending Brush, which is a little tapered brush. You can use that to go on the outer part of your crease. Next we have, this is the e.l.f. Eyeshadow C Brush, which is a very fluffy brush, but you can use it to pack on color or blend the lid or anything like that. Alright, then I have the e.l.f. Contouring Brush. Hi Laddie. This is my dog Laddie, if y'all wanted to see her. She is a pug Yorkie mix, but her name's Laddie and I love her so much. She's my baby girl. Okay, and then we have the e.l.f. Contouring Brush. And I ordered this brush offline. This is the Lamora Flat Kabuki T01. I got this off Amazon years ago. But I have fallen in love with it. You can use it for blush, or you can use it for foundation. I use it for foundation. It's a little flat kabuki brush. And I got this off Amazon as well. It was in like a 30 piece set. But I really loved it. It's a little fan brush. But you can buy any fan brush and you can apply your highlight. I applied my highlight with that today. So this is the first thing I use. This is the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. Very, very pretty and dewy. Makes your face really glowy. And then I use, this is the Maybelline Foundation 24 Hour in the shade 102 Fair Porcelain. Alright, the next thing, this is the L'Oreal Infallible for Wear. I have fallen in love with this. I can't put it down. This is in the shade Porcelain at 320. Powder, this is my Ride or Die setting powder. I'm going to get some more of it. This is the Translucent Airbrushing Pressed Powder SPF 30 Sunscreen, but it doesn't give any flashback. And it is by Physicians Formula. This is what it looks like. It does give a little color to the face, which I don't mind. But as you can see, I've definitely hit paint on this. It's a very great powder. And I am super excited and super glad I tried this out again. This is the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder. I didn't use the blush. I just used the contour. And this is amazing. And as you can see, this is the mirror in it. And as you can see, it has a huge mirror. And here is the bronzer. And here's the blush. But I didn't use the blush. But the bronzer, as you can see, I used to love this bronzer until I started using my Too Faced. But I'm going to start using this again. This is so amazing. For blush, I use the Wet n Wild. I love Wet n Wild products. Their blushes, their lipsticks, all of that. This is the Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink blush. This is what I'm wearing today. Like I said, all these are what I'm wearing on my face today. And this is a very pretty coral blush. And they're so cheap and affordable. But But yeah, I love their blushes, highlights, lipsticks, all of it. Their foundation, I'm out of their foundation right now. I'm definitely going to go pick that up. Highlighter today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the color Blossom Glow. Very pretty, like pinky, silvery color. I love it on my pale skin. They've got different colors, different variations of highlighters, blushes, all that stuff to suit your skin tone. These are just things I love on my skin tone, but I love these products. For bronzer, I use the Butter Bronzer, Physicians Formula, and in the shade Light Bronzer. This is my go-to. This is like the only bronzer I use ever. I'm just so hooked to this bronzer, and the smell is just amazing. And the price, you cannot beat this price, because I've used this a ton, and I still haven't hit pan yet. So, alright, I know y'all know me with my lashes. I love very big, flirty, voluminous lashes, but for just an everyday look, for your starter makeup kit, these are a little bit on the shorter side and a little bit everyday weary. So these are the Kiss Pumped Up Effect, and they are tapered in technology, 100% natural hair, and they are in the style Ritzy Natural Black. This is the box they come in. But it's just, as you can see, they're just very, like, natural looking. Like, you can tell that I'm wearing lashes, but they're just not over the edge. You can really see the eye look underneath them. The brow pomade I use today, this is the e.l.f. Brow Cream. And you can also use this as an eyeliner. But this is in the shade Espresso. And I love the e.l.f. Brow Cream. It's so good and creamy and pigmented. I use the Rimmel London Brow This Way. It's styling gel in the shade dark brown. This is a very good pigmented brow gel. Only thing that I'm going to warn y'all about is it's very pigmented and it's very liquidy, so you got to be very careful with this. It's very liquidy, so just wash the brush off really good, like, you know, tap the excess off and use a light hand with it, and it does good. It does really good. The eyeliner I use today, this is the L'Oreal Liner Noir in Blackest Black, I think. Yeah, Blackest Black. And this is one of these felt tips, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love the pigmentation of it, the lasting. It's a really good eyeliner. The mascara I use today, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I love this mascara. You could just wear this alone, not to wear lashes, but I just love my lashes. But this is what the wand looks like. But like I said, you can wear this mascara alone, and it makes your lashes so voluminous and long, and they're very, very pretty. If you wear your false lashes, you'll have to use some glue. So this is this is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe, and this is the clear. They have different colors, but I just got the clear. A really good lash glue, highly recommend it. And then you will need a Real Techniques beauty sponge. This can be used for highlighter, it can be used for foundation, concealer, baking your face, setting your face. I love this sponge, it's really good. The setting spray I use, this is the NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte. And they've also got the Dewy. I've never tried the Dewy before, but I have oily skin. But I've been, you know, learning to love the dewiness. I love the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. It's so good. It makes your skin look really dewy and refreshed. But this is the NYX matte one. It's a really good one. And you'll always need a pair of tweezers just to pluck your eyebrows or apply some lashes. Just carry a thing of tweezers with you. You'll need them. They'll come in handy. Lipstick I use today. This is my Holy Grail lipstick. I love this lipstick. This is probably like one of the first lipsticks I've ever gotten. And this is how much is left out of it. But it's a 655 Daringly Nude Matte. Maybelline is the way to go with lipsticks. I love their Super Stay lips. Just go to Maybelline lip section and find some colors that you love because they are super cheap and affordable. They last a long time. And yeah, you'll fall in love with Maybelline. But this is the Daringly Nude 655. So if you're starting out with makeup and you want a nude, this is the one for you. And last but not least, this is the palette I used today. This is the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette. Looks like this. It's just a little mini compact. Love all of these tones in this. They've got some warm, some purples, some shimmers, some browns, just different things, and I absolutely am obsessed with this palette. To get that Purple Rain to really stick to my eyelid, I had to scrape it and then pick it up with a wet brush. But other than that, the mattes are perfect, and the rose quartz is what I got on the inner corner, and I got Purple Rain all over my lid. But yeah, it's a very stunning palette. I highly recommend it. So if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'd highly appreciate it. Join the family, and I'll be doing a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. So I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.